The one-ranked product is Shark S5003D Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Pocket Steam Mop. Burgundy, gray. Review score 4.6. Review count 12,614 ratings. Price $109.99. Customers like the cleaning ability, functionality, and ease of use of the steam cleaner. They mention it's great for cleaning tough stains and sanitizing floors. Some also appreciate the value for money and design. Customers dislike, however, some customers have mixed opinions on the steam generation, cord length, and durability. The two-ranked product is Bissell Steam Mop for Hard Floor, 19,404. Purple Power Fresh Pet. Review score 4.6. Review count 3,481 ratings. Price $92.69. Customers like the cleaning power, functionality, and ease of use of the steam cleaner. They mention it cleans floors right up, does everything they need, and is easy to put on and remove. Some appreciate the heat up. Customers dislike, however, some customers disagree on its sturdiness, value for money, and steam output. The three-ranked product is Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop with natural sanitization, floor steamer, tile cleaner, and hardwood floor cleaner with flip-down easy scrubber. 1940A. Review score 4.5. Review count 48,924 ratings. Price $92.00. Customers like the cleaning, ease of use, and quality of the steam cleaner. They mention it cleans well, works great on dried up or sticky messes, and is very convenient. Some also appreciate its weight and value for money. Customers dislike, however, some customers disagree on its durability and steam quality. The four-ranked product is Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner Powerful Multi-Purpose Portable Steamer for Floors, Cars, Tiles. Grout cleaning. Chemical-free disinfection kills 99.99% of bacteria and viruses. Review score 4.5. Review count 22,085 ratings. Price $149.78. Customers like the cleaning ability, effectiveness, and ease of use of the steam cleaner. They mention it cleans floors well, performs fantastically, and is well worth the money. Some also like its compactness and attachments. Customers dislike, however, some customers have mixed opinions on the steam quality and build quality.